Hi guys, Sarah here, obviously, and we will just get right into it. I have 4 new smart waters, and the first one is strawberry blackberry. Not bad. Next we have watermelon mint. 2 things that I'm not so fond of, but give it a shot. Why don't I hate that? I've gone crazy. Next is yellow, and yellow smart water is pineapple kiwi. That one's not bad either. Now, full disclosure, I've had this one already. I've actually had this one already twice. This will be my 3rd time. The green smart water, which is cucumber lime. I love the cucumber lime, or lime cucumber Gatorade. That is so good. So, Even though it's freezing here in Michigan, can you imagine this on a hot day? Ugh. Alright. Well, cucumber lime, yes. Pineapple kiwi, okay. Strawberry blackberry, meh. And watermelon mint, I didn't hate it. I've gone crazy. Alright. Well, me and my crazy self are gonna go. And I'll see you guys later.